you? How are you today, Sal? Okay. Hello. I see this Mommy Ben. Yeah! It's the power of Mommy Ben. Yeah! Oh! Oh, so good. Oh, smash. I will transform now into a car. Whoa! Whoa, what happened to my face? I transformed into a car. Oh no, I'm transformed into supercar. Let's go to swim. Wow, I am in the underwater now. Oh, wait, let's swim. I am in the underwater. Let's swim. Whoa, let's swim. So nice. Oh, ew. That's what I transformed into a car. Now I am the human. What? Whoa, I am the human now. Whoa, I am human. Oh. Wow, what is this place? Yes, I'm back to normal in this place.